I'm Natalie and I love the holidays. I get to be lazy, I get to be in my Christmas PJs, and I get to be out of school, of course. Raise your hand if the holidays are your bae. They're mine. Today I'm gonna show you my go-to holiday DIYs and food hacks that will make this holiday season that much sweeter. Hold up, today's so exciting because I'm doing a huge giveaway. I'm gonna be giving 12 lucky subscribers 12 incredible prizes, which includes the best laptop, iPad, camera, makeup, iPhone. And this is a way for me to say thank you for being a part of this beautiful family. Be sure to click the link down below in the description, the first link to enter to win these awesome prizes. Be sure you're part of the family right over here by hitting that subscribe button, and if you've already done that, make sure you hit that little bell right there. It's that easy. I challenge you guys to get this video to 150,000 thumbs up. I dare you to go down below right now and turn this to this by clicking below and hitting that thumbs up. Smash it. With the power of your thumbs up, we can maybe convince the government to give us less school, more holidays. Whoa. I don't know, let's give it a try. And once you do that, just make sure you comment below #notificationsquad. All right guys, are you ready? Let's get on to the video. How adorable is this peppermint bowl? Now this cute DIY is the perfect way to decorate this Christmas, and you can make it too. All you're gonna need are peppermint candies, some parchment paper, and literally any baking tray of your choice. So we're gonna start by putting cooking spray onto your parchment paper like this. Next, we're gonna add our candy in the shape of a circle and then pop it in the oven for 8 minutes at 300 degrees. Next, take a small cup and add some cooking spray to that as well. Once 8 minutes are up, you can carefully get your deliciously melted candy, and using an oven mitt, be careful because this can be a little bit hot. Start to shape the candy into our little cup. Start by squeezing the peppermint candy in the shape of a cup. Flip it around and remove it, and oh my gosh, ta-da! You've just created your own DIY peppermint bowls, perfect for the holidays. Now I personally like to decorate mine and add some delicious chocolates to it so that all my friends and family can enjoy. Plus your house is gonna smell just like a fresh, delicious winter. It's amazing. If you have a little bit of a sweet tooth, get festive this holiday with these super easy DIY Christmas tree cupcakes. Now all you're gonna need are sugar cones, some green decorative icing, and that's it. Just start by putting your cone right on top of your cupcake. This will hold it in place while we decorate. Time for my favorite part, which is decorating. All you're gonna have to do is press the tube a little bit and work it in a downward direction, and then just let go. As you can see, this makes the cutest little patterns around our Christmas tree. Now this is a really great food hack and piece to bring to a family party and impress your friends. Not to mention it's also super fun. I actually spent the day with my sister making them and then eating them, of course. And you know, the fun part is you can decorate these trees with anything that you like. You can add some sprinkles and bam. I decided to decorate my cute cupcakes with ribbons on a gingerbread plate. Also, keep your eyes out for a special appearance from a little dog named Jupiter. Did you catch him? I don't know, comment below, Jupiter, if you did. Right, gift wrapping can be super stressful, trust me, I know, but with these simple hacks, it doesn't have to be. So if you have no bows to decorate your presents, fear not, here is a very super simple do-it-yourself. Cut a piece of wrapping paper, and then all you're gonna have to do is fold it in half. Take some scissors and cut out a bunch of little strands like this. Now the fun part is coming up. The edge of the scissors, and be super careful with this one. If you need adults for supervision, make sure you ask. Pass the little blade along the side of the wrapping paper. Now do this throughout the entire strands, and once you're done, take your bow and pretty much fold it in half. And then you're gonna fold it once more, and ta-da! We have the cutest DIY ribbon ever. Now place it on top of your presents like this, and your present looks that much more perfect. It's literally the perfect DIY ribbon that will fit any gift wrapping this Christmas. Stuck on what to give someone this holiday season, here is a super cute DIY slime ornament. Now this is just a fun gift idea or just something cute to do with loved ones during the holidays. Now what you're gonna need are clear ornaments that come apart in 2 halves. For the slime, you can pretty much make any slime of your choice. Comment below which slime is your favorite, fluffy slime, clear slime. Then you're just gonna add your slime into one of the ornament halves and seal it up. I'm gonna be adding ribbon tape to create my own personal strand by simply folding it and then twisting it. So some really fun slime ornaments ready to be gifted to all your friends who love slime. And personally, I love how therapeutic and personalized these gifts are. I feel like if you have a friend that just loves slime or just someone that wants to relax, this is the perfect gift for them. Ever happened to you where you're trying to wrap presents and you just don't know how much wrapping paper you need to cut? Now this always happens to me. I either do too much or not enough, and you know how frustrating that can be. Well, this hack is for when you think you don't have enough wrapping paper, and trust me, it's a lifesaver. So use the diagonal method. Just turn the box diagonally on the wrapping paper and literally like magic, you instantly have enough paper to wrap around your gift. It's crazy. Pull up your corners and tape it all up, and trust me, you'll thank me later. Got a little glimpse into what I'm wrapping right now and what's inside. You might have seen a really cool looking iPhone. Well, you guys can win it now by clicking below the link down below in the description. I'm going to be giving away 12 amazing prizes in the month of December, and all you got to do is click that link. Trust me, I'd go if I were you. DIY, we're going to be creating a really fun snowflake that you can use to decorate your space and give your windows a cool vibe. So print out a picture of a snowflake design that you really like, and then add some parchment paper on top, which will help to be used as a stencil. I also like to put a little bit of tape on the sides, and then taking a hot glue, you're going to trace around the snowflake, and this will start drying on its own and creating a frosty look to our snowflake. And once it's nice and dry, you can actually just peel it off. It's super simple. Also remove the little leftovers of hot glue with scissors, or just leave it as a little fun ice illusion. And then using the hot glue, just add little dots to the corner of your snowflakes, and then you can just quickly put it on your window for a nice decorative touch. Now, not only does this look super holiday, the best part is once you're ready to remove, not to worry, they will pop right off. Super simple and won't damage your windows. This has got to be one of my favorite Christmas hacks, so give your space that holiday smell with this fun hack. So while your light bulbs are off and cooled, rub them with a small amount of vanilla extract or peppermint oil. All you have to do is with the warmth of your fingers with the oil, just spread it onto each little light bulb. Then, when you turn on the lights, the scent will warm and the aroma will softly fill the room. It'll put you that much more into the Christmas spirit, and it might even make you want to hug a tree like me. I know, a little weird. Stay weird and buy the merch, link in bio. Dear Santa, this year I would really like a... Oh hey, I didn't see you there. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. If you've already done that, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And if you've already done that, I double dog dare you to hit that little bell right over there. I bet you can't do it. Hit that bell. That way YouTube will notify you of new videos. Oh, come on, don't be lazy. Hit that little bell. My social media handles are appearing right over there. Stay tuned for next week because you do not want to miss the next Christmas giveaway. It is going to be awesome. And until then, if you miss me, make sure to check out my videos, link down below in the description. I want to wish you an amazing day. Don't forget to live weird or die normal.